The Pivot Kit, the black and white sticker, video 2, letter B, like odd numbers. After the deal, and before starting the Charleston, if you have the same odd numbers, consider the following hands. Now, traditionally in this situation, people think about any like number and they start collecting flowers and dragons. But what if flowers and dragons aren't coming your way, but you still have a lot of the same number? At that point, you want to consider WD3 if norths and souths are coming your way, or 13579 of one suit in 04, or if Q1, just keep collecting more and more of the same number. Read the B on the black and white sticker before the Charleston when you have the same odd numbers. It will remind you to keep flowers and dragons, north, south, and 13579 of a different suit. Use the Pivot Kit. You'll be glad you did. This is Bernie Schrager. May the jokers be with you, unless we're at the same table.